Okay, so normally a lot of our door adjustments tend to be because the door is normally rubbing on the bottom here. So to get over this, what we would normally do is take a Stanley knife, and you'll see some pip covers here and here, and they'll be the same on all the hinges going upwards. So very, very carefully with a Stanley blade, remove the pips. And on the hinge, they rotate anti-clockwise and clockwise. Take a 4mm Allen key, place it into the hinge as so. And when you take the Allen key clockwise, it will shift the hinge over towards the frame. Now normally when the door is rubbing on the bottom, you want to rotate your Allen key anti-clockwise and bring the hinge further towards this door to then accommodate lifting the bottom of that door. Once you've moved this hinge over to the maximum, you're going to move up onto your middle set. Again, carefully remove the pips. And this time, I'm going to take the bottom hinge and rotate anti-clockwise. But with the top part of the hinge, I'm going to rotate my Allen key clockwise to now begin taking the top of the door towards the frame to then shift the door. So once you've done that one, you're then going to move on to your top hinge. Pop the pips out. And with the top hinge, I'm going to turn the bottom clockwise and the top clockwise to bring the door over. Once you've done this, the next step is then to check the door and see if that's any better on the bottom. If you find that it's still slightly rubbing, then the next step would be to get your Stanley knife again, and on the bottom of the bottom hinge there's another cap. Pop this cap off. So I'm going to use a 5mm Allen key. I'm going to locate this into the bottom of the hinge, and this time I'm going to turn anti-clockwise 3 times. And what this does is it lifts the entire hinge in this body part here, again raising the door from the bottom. Once I've done this, I'll check the door again, and now that's working as it should.